Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you my personalized daily task that I created, and it's helped me create a very productive and purposeful day. And I hope that with the format that I share with you, and if you are interested, I would be happy to send it to you. First, with this is my daily task that I create. Whenever you create a task, always remember that you have to have a good balance, like a balance between health, personal development, work, and family. If you could remember this, to have a balance of these four things, because you can't have too much of one thing. Even with your physical body, when you drink vitamins, you can't have too much vitamin C but lack of vitamin D, vitamin A. Same thing with playing stock. You gotta diversify for a healthy portfolio. Now let me share with you my daily task, and you see how each day I created it has different quotes that I love. The quotes, I'm going to go one by one. First, quote is very important to me. I have the motivational quotes that I like. I post them around the office, sometime in one by the dining room, or where family get together. The thing with the quote is that it's motivate me to consistently encourage me to keep going, because there are times that you get demotivated by unexpected circumstance or family matter that kind of demotivate you from complete your task. When I look at the quotes, it reminds you that you can do it. Keep going. You can be a successful person. So quote is very important to me. And next thing on the list is yoga, which is health. That is the first thing I do in a very early morning, between 5:30 to 6 a.m. I would do yoga, meditate, create a moment where I can feel to start each day with a grateful heart, feel positive. The main thing from the starting your day is to absorb positive energy, so that you can use those energy to complete the rest of the task for the day. Next thing to yoga exercise is personal development. Create a personal development that is catered to you. Like for me, reading. I'm my goal is to improve reading skill and public speaking or presentations. So on the personal development, I would put reading, because there's a book that I'm reading right now to sharpen my skill.
Hi, there's a quote said from Games of Thrones: a reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies.
And next to the personal development is word of the day. I try to learn new word each day, and I from the book that I read, I underlined it, and I would define that word and write a sentence to help me keep it ingrain it into my head with that word. So it's important to learn new daily word, because I'm still trying to improve my communication skill. And the next step is, you see how the rest I would have it blank. Here's an example how I have it blank. Maybe I need to show you on the different pictures, but the reason I have it blank, because each day my work is different, and those blank is for my workplace and for my personal business, to write down the main priority projects that I need to be done, that need to be complete that day. So those blank are for my work. After that, even though if I do have a lot of tasks, my goal is by the end of 3 or 4 p.m. each day, I would leave all that aside, whether I finish my work or not. After 3 or 4 p.m., I completely commit my time to family. My kids come home from school at that time, and I would focus that time for family. Like for an example, we would I would help my kids do homework, we do cleaning, we eating together, especially during dinner time. Family is important. And then around 8 or 8:30, by the end of the day, finally we would pray together as a family. My family, we believe in prayers. prayer in Prayer with family is extremely powerful for us, and that is my daily task. And again, if you like the format, I would be happy to send it to you, and you can change it depending on your lifestyle. Some people have kids, some people are single, so just change it the way that you like. And again, I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you enjoy the video, and if you have any comments to that help you manage your daily life and in a very meaningful, productive way, please share on the comment below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.